Did you know that the physical act of writing can actually help you remember better than just listening or reading? This is reMarkable, your new digital notebook. Imagine a traditional office setup. You probably have some sort of filing system to house all your documents and your stacks of notebooks. On your desk, there's loose papers and sticky notes scattered about. But with reMarkable, all of your work is now in one place. Here you'll find all your folders, named and categorized, and you just tap here to set up a new notebook, name it, choose a template, and you're good to go. Let's say you have a new idea or a reminder you don't want to forget. Well, just grab yourself a quick sheet to keep everything in order. And with a ton of different writing tools, you can style it out however you want. Pro tip, for files that you need access to all the time, simply label them as favorite. Or you can add tags to any of your notes and documents with easy-to-remember keywords. It's a pretty nice feeling to be fully in charge and in control of all of your work. At 0.19 inches and with up to 2 weeks of battery life, it can come with you anywhere you go. Another thing reMarkable can do is save you some time. Want to share your meeting notes with colleagues or send yourself a reminder? Or maybe you want to create a new to-do list. With just a simple tap, you can convert them to typed text and they are ready for the digital world. So now you can actually reuse your notes in new workflows. Download the reMarkable mobile and desktop app to all of your preferred devices and you can continue to work on the go. Or simply pick up where you left off. With reMarkable, not only can you take regular notes, but with just a few taps, you have a whole new world of note-taking templates to explore. So, you want to improve your note-taking? Let's jump into this one. The Cornell Method is a great way of taking really organized notes that are easy to review, be that your meeting notes, studying, or perhaps a more complex work task. In the main column to the right, you'll put in your notes. Here, you can adjust them if you need more space. In the column on the left, you'll put in your important keywords, questions, and main points from the meeting. These can be erased and edited. In the bottom column, you'll write a brief summary of your key learnings and main takeaways. You can cut, copy, and paste to wherever you would like. reMarkable has a specially crafted surface that provides for an incredible writing experience in a real paper feel. By tilting the angle of my pen, I can actually vary the pressure, creating paper-like notes and annotations onto any of my documents. reMarkable was never designed to replace your laptop or phone, but it will give you space to think and allow you to work much smarter without the apps, pop-ups, and browsers that interrupt your workflow. So there you have it, and thank you for watching.